I dance now. This is your model, you don't get a view. This is your like passion, you don't get a view. They run no. This is my leg paddle, you don't pass, be careful. See my feet. Oh, see my feet now. This your running, don't the guy you softly the run when you come. This your body fitted. I don't know how you want to say the run now. How you say the run now? Oh, see my body fitted. Shock, now me the mommy queen. Nah, if I want sleep, I go sleep. If I want fast, I go fast. Why I just we don't lose some money. We don't never walk here. Don't need hayo. Don't need mose. Don't na gyuko. I mean no religio. Why gyusa we negazu we say badness. If we don't never walk here me. Don't need mose. Titled Osegbe. The topic of today is Osegbe. Osegbe wa no va gonna imagine. Before I go enter my Osegbe topic. Yes. before I go into our segment topic, let me quickly give congratulations to my personal. It's no easy, my love, my jolly for your new JAMA document. May I congratulate you, my darling? Yes. Yes. Let me congratulate you, my darling. This one is just the beginning of your blessing, JAMA. Oh, I can't know whether to wear it as in go. Ebo, ama wese. Oh, my God, ye honoma. Oh, ye topic in it, one can know them. Where us, una ye honoma, lelusa, winning gazo wiggy. My lemme, yanole, me your blessing way. I could be a movie as I say. But I where Kebe Ole lives on the name of friendship. E can wagajo, madame. Area was say. Now the truth, about the matter. Upon of the back here, even the title. And became where waje. Eh? Don't even it now will go be your problem. I want a moment. It made the men come up. So, may I go back to my topic. Title Osegbe. Topic nothing. Osegbe magunahi. Wa mami. Wa tiki woman we. No. If you dey do person something, you go dey teach another person you dey do something alike. You are equally doing yourself. Yes, you are doing yourself. Anything what you dey do for this life, you dey think say na person you dey do. If it never happen to you today, no me say no go happen to you tomorrow. By the time when you open the rib that Osegbe, he Jimmy. Odo amunu popowa, o amune generational cost, generational cost or so or see a good medal. Emi no we wo my be ho we no. I very laughing at Virginia. Ian is snatch or my mere minoge. I won't know what Rambo snatch me. O keke manovera. One day, we got to go marry. Almost so those who were be. Or guys who were bene when they do so, ever knew when I see. And we are gonna all say be yakin. Where what were Nania? Utiki wuwe or do ganorugi. And then no saloboaga visit you. Where voice no damena? Voice no damena. Things go up the rock for you. Where you know so that way? Emi ya wari alwa. Odo ane boy. What is going to happen? What is going to happen? My darling. Abako no ka we go we no yagba ogiyeke. Check yourself round. Abako no ka we go we. Osi egbe. Abako ni no we go we ni. Odo ari uwoja. When you don't do and you don't forget. But God know they forget. That's so life be. That's so life be. Your results must surely come out. You where they do this something now you they do. You say nobody go feel ask you. And then no go we have. Oh, je no we mean our way. Oh, je no we fin. Wa negbe oh ye manania yan ba be fi hin na we reti gbo we ti fi hin yo ri o emi no owo mani o mani na she o na feel pains ni we ha gogo kan would do go mari u gogo kan go we mi wu madale no o wari ton the table always turn around and then I have a do go where all do I mean we love most. Okaya ba o ye kene emi no we ka wo ma be go we ka be do ma go ri aga be do we go ri we be do aso what is so my darling Osegbe no o ka be va mi ne ro ma gbe ri yo ma gbe ni o ma ni na ga ona ga so ona ga vi ona ga hie gbe we nenya ebodi my darling go and sit down. Ebo o wari. Ebo ni gakiari. We expect ibe no yari. edena ava wegbe odo wowe odo wosi senu we wo mai o setision you know fi we o setigision eri de gosi ya wini ya o va wegbe mi na ogejo o viere shapes oyo ma no wa be ya be face weakness baga woga ro pele gan o ya mu dia so se gbovi o give madali edeno ga su wegbe women nebo ni vie doti no rie bori atete o wa so wegbe weto bo we oni duo we na mi uvo we ga duo wo mi uvo eri ma gbon na je a oni o se gbe na hani ebi kemi no riri wo ma eno ehwe kale we wa wenia no ugbona yo akwo gbona yo I akwo gbona yo edze no we gari eni be de mi wo ya ede no we gari o mi no we akweti o ma ansa ugati ona ehwani ugati ona ehwani ru dan we okeke o ho no ema egen we ya we ni ya nia we wo fa no mi ga yo bo gbe we le ran viri here oni me mi no yiye keko oni o se no wa so ayo mi ne wa do aka wa enye yega ede na enye yega medali o na mi owo mo ni gbe 30 years wo gbele gan adoko do we do fin e life imprisonment ne yega ko ti o do wa na wo hun gi yen eni ro gba o si e wa gun na no majina agere o wa ye emi kemi no ya kono o se gbe wa no o so we gbe medali o ga kenye to royi anything no come to royi oni o si ogbo ne Roma vision ma gbe e te bon mo gan but ni ma so gbe vi si ewo ko wa ko de o gi bon wa so gan ogbo ne Roma vision ma gbe e bon mo gan bet no wa so gi gbe vi si o gi bo wa gan even a character no we emulate be webo o ma wo no wure o we ra vision bet wo wa sisi ne una iwa do hin na wa yo wa wonu we ma January agbon iwe ran moto we wa hoy una fi ojo ko motore andogi do a logo wo daninia we jo ene bete de na wo oryo woja many people obuwa o wa yasi oni osiana wa be agbokoko gbe age mi lu gbokoko gbe ba medali emi lu we gbokoko gbe ba just the watch one day almost to so wegbe hello to you my darling almost to so wegbe emi nu gbokoko gbe ba abe di agbo okoko gbe ni binu mana gbo ore mata abe di agbo okoko gbe nu gbe ni na wazi oboyo ma o na si eve yo ma gbe awon ewori onwe upopo na ja gbejale nu to bi a se gbeyawo why so we me wa atiki wa I am doing great my darling I am doing fine why so we me wa atiki wa pa wa nyagbon na o ma be ma nya my darling o ki o ho no e ba ma oni obesi e na wa ha we yi uwa onu wi wa we de e de na we ihun anu so le lu wi wa we a be dia so no we noted the soap madam ihun we so ni no we so wa be go we a be dia so no we ogo man we so elele upope no we gbe ni na wa ya si ekoto ni a be dia gbe le no we madam one day because I remember where too must to matewa I remember where too must to see one I remember where almost we me came wa ye o ihun anu so le love you give her a kan dia so no wa ge life nana ne abati yawe ni aga ifigo viku all those things iga kemangia e ya ifun e no dey tough again wa teji ko motivate we because abe ko dan no wa me at e ko ogi gbovo e ko ga ma so ma gberovo e ko me if they do music now I know they do anything or whatever I know they watch because you know they egititi as before. If you do ariku, oga yewe. If you sang ariku, oga jewe. If you bo ariku, oga jewe. Because of a hit bovu. No waya lele if you working was so. Or you do get a sibi nani. Me awagi ko ma so beso. You wa fi egun because everything any ya or to motivate my women. Because I am so my we take away or my way. Because you believe go way. No, my darling. Equally they affect you where they don't. Because if you want to do, nobody go constrain you. Almost to be do affect you, my darling. On your heart to see. The maso mo adiaye. Eko a maso man of berovo. Eko ni bisi. Benu wena we yes and then uga moatewa. Or se ne do na have or segbe magmunahi. Almost to segbe. Emi ya no really unu. Uga bohe ku bovio give a dia bohe ku ni bo. Uga one of you give a day to we are day. Uga one of you give a vie. Even if we ho we will down. Wa we no mi o balo de we will down. Ebi kemi no waya kono. Ehwe kale. Onyo sie ni bia dona si huana. Eki bisi waya ko. Egbo wa na hiwo. Owe ekono eki bisi no wa ko. Owe so awa hi wo egbe. Owo be ya hi wo egbe mo ni ma so biele. I disagree. No kun ihoye o mo ihoye. Iye no wa ko ni. Ese gbe mo no bie. Iye o fi aju mo because the money they are innocent. Iya, but if I so not here, o baloni heart of him no way. O ya real like generational cost. And the owner do me, emi do a beg beni, or do a beg money, or do a beg me ante. Roda we ije nyote wemini or era nyote wemini. Madali, I was here. Ne dona kawe adole wo yi sede na kpahore. Wabe we mi waye galwe mwalele minu. Unaga we mi kemi waye alwe mwalele minu. No e do vije ni la wawe. Be de ariota. We nya we boyde. Onyo siye ve mi no sunu we howe. E lady na no ritali. No na aje fe kakanti. Me e voting ye live video ge demofi. Kosani meno vi agano pe nu negi agbe. Ogi mi voting ni ona ya gbe ye live video demofi. Oh we no matter one. We be agano ma be. Onari ni me onari ke. Wish I was not aware. But confessing. Or confessing. Ona talo. A live video. Oh, your mozona ya confessing. Oni na no we wawe. Ona ha we gi. Oga no ni na ne your mozona re YouTube. Ona ha ma iye hala dia da deni. Ikpe vana we do call you. We ori amasoto. Bego sunu da no bi agma. O we gano ma bie. O ma we do mani. Una we ri ni eke. If you don't know some me agame here, the answer is no. Ona we ri ni mo na gbon ke. Wa go ha wo se gbe ma gbon aki. Oni na ka me no do call me wo wa no confess me. No apologize me. The video ni the YouTube channel. Edige Omari do apologize me geni. Bogi so no mo gina pe na bi do no zo mo me. Ogi hospital. Boki abiye agbana morire. Agbana do morire. Otie ma ya, ona ti ho sati ya. Iya yama, o even ya se gbe shu make of Paris or wetin ye be tie. Be na gbare iri agengaji. Owori na wa nwena kan. Edere ni memo mo no provoke me wa mo kwa. Iwa ro wa ve betina wa ogiam na wa mo ve edere ni mo no provoke ogiam. Be no wa ya koliri. Owo mla wo mo me kun lerun me. Owo betini ka apologize mene. Ena wow. Owo ge ni egban ye la video di mo fe vere ni. But the something affecting 4 days or what bana ye waru wele borum ye mati bi. In Jesus Christ, they wa go Bible very. Eru fo wunu me. Eru tofo. Ekena wa le rusef agbona ola dian wonu na. Eru fo wunu me na ye mati bi. Owo ye tie mo go gani, ye tie o sate yani. Nothing. Ina bi awe. Ma ve we kasusu mebe. Wega ni na hallelujah mo se. Oh, ni ya gbon mi ni yo me. The live video the movie. Ina matter. But we ge nya, o kan ge bi o mo ge seti ge bi. And ti abo ho saya, not the abo. Awo ya ti ya se gbe shoemaker, doctor one Paris. O what ya ti ya? Nothing. So imaka wo me we he. So he out of hatred we yati aganoma bi. Me aganoma una me yagbon ye live video ge the movie. Owe owo wa amoye ni la wo ni forgiving. Ina e oni agina. I forgive we go me le run. Ena do le run ne bi do no zo mo me. No wa ta me eru fo wu no me. Ave gbe hu ni me ke no na alade. Eru fo wu no me. Ekeni na le run ni ke na ka ma we. O ga mo gbe ya. Uhe agbo bi osaga fie worie e dame ge. Wa ga mo gbe ya. Uhe agbo bi osa. O ga mo ho uhe osagumero. E damo fie worie. Eru binagwe na ham ni hama we wa talo na. Okay mama. You know what this lady do? It come born for that night. As he born finish, he come carry the baby come for me. He say mama ye biene gene no momo la wo ya beg you when you pa. Ye mu like social media la wo je me joke. Na wa. Me agba ma video because of who me you do you need to revenge out. No they don't. When you ready, that evil person, I will not pray for you. So, in a moment on this social media, or why you phone on any phone. Now this phone ID, all to the money where phone have the big one. Na okay. Be when na go up be no be when alawa. Oh me we no salo baya we me. Iya na ido aho. How can you hurt someone else? Where do I give you where you to remove? Yeah, because you are to share lesson. Never me that one. But at the end of the day, or send no more go. Bakaro Savahari Nika or send it. But up to today, when you have a promise where he post and the real village up to today, he might post up to today. He might post So anything no one over here, ijaba votoeno. You may do out of something, out of anger, out of hatred. Jahel my wo eritio my ninoge. Betoga sakbo wadali. Iya mosto hewe budaw. Alu enwa ye mi no ma over here. Enwa alu eje mi no ma over here. So all say any na time wa we do no zo moment no wa here la wo. Wa ye nwa we mi emi no do ha fetu wa me de na ho e o ya metale ave mi talo emi no do ari ozango wa me de na ho o ya meta we asio bovo aye trade women if you see any party for Benin Kingdom na o ye fun e na the truth if you see any party for Benin Kingdom to ye fun e want anu we wa ham wa to ye fun e because eki gbovo ni bumu adiaye eho na tosi ni bumu adiaye eho amasoma ni bumu adiaye. Thank you my darling. Elsie ogi ye fun e vie do aya konri egbe eyan wa mi wiwu yan no be the person where you dey see say that they spray now you dey do yourself. It cannot be affect only almost to be affect you, my darling sister or brother. Where for affect you? Affect the person where you they say me no almost see a koto. Equal automatically to was a boo wegi a boo or was sigi video. Amen. na the truth. Na the truth e buwe we sigi yeke o ma we sigi yeke. One day almost we affect you. One day almost to reboka mami. One day almost to have ijimi. Na. Egwe me ni we ta we ne we miamiane. O miamiane madale. But manu we mamiamia. One day we must to be mwatewa. We mana imi no do be kusele luwa no do gbele luwe bateno we mo wani madege almost to get asibi. Almost to get asibi. Emi kiri no ma ya cover guna neme iruwe. Uga kehi urehi. Uga kogi urogi. Anything no ma ya kono nero ruwe. And most especially waso wagawe ne wa imiamia. Wagi kwewe jere hu wawe gbebi no hoi. Ugbeni na igari wagi jere hu wawe gbebi no hoi. Eva ni mwena jena. No wa na jere ni. Uwa dede we no hoi. Uwe kabe de gbefi we kafi ugbe yo uwe gbene. Wa ni bogi jere. But emini na idwari uwa ni boja. Na la ho. Mbeni mejina imelwe mwa ya wemi. Ya kia gwa yo mama imwenya hume. Orun pa ni me egbinana adina vawe. Awe ni we do happy. Yena me do jasi we mi wo. Ina vawe we. Eti ya we yo bonoma. Owe me wa dori ewe dade. Itu agbini gbina rwa. I will never do it again. Ilele do talk show ijeni si okere no magia megbe mosoro ijeni mose ijena gamionyo ega soma okpoko ni jehu de zuzu. La jehu mama ebi ya ye na te we ati we no de wa escape me mama boy one of Brescia ijeni si okere. Now na my mama oh, na my mama be that oh, I no get another one. Na my mama be that oh, na my mommy be that oh, I no get another one. And my mama be that oh, mama boy one of Brescia oh, na my mama be that oh, ye no give any oh, mama be that oh, poko mege ni yaga. Ma be that oh, iye naga mionye mega soma oh. Ma be that oh, iye no give oh. Na my mama be that oh, na my baba be that oh. I no get another one. Na my mama be that oh, iye boy one of Brescia oh. Na my mama be that oh, poko mege ni jeme. Mama be that oh, uga toga pebaye. Na my mama be that oh, uga diari monusu seyi. Na my mama be that oh, iye no give me oh. Na my mama be that oh, mama boy one of Brescia. Na my mama be that oh, So na so be off we gbe no gi. So no. Edene na givuna. Ije me we na cover ye aro. Where no miamiane. Iye osi ne do nata I avi tanya ne do gbe no defuaru we. Itan kitan ne do rie lade no defuaru we. Itan kitan ne do ni moserie lade no defuaru we. Iye me we no ni sanga miamia. No ho e miamia. We no ne nisan. Okpesan no ne yoto we na yiwa miamia hi ababana. We no gi ho ebo. Bogi ya miamia ebe do no zo mo me seti miamia. So osie ne do na ha we ta dole wo yi se de na kpawori. Ewo na ta dolo yi se de na kpawori. Wa be gbina ko we alu enwe ne gbe wo we alu erere we. Because when we na alu erere we. Okunya ga ohie wo. Uga ohie wo. Wa ohie sa. Uga ohie ni ka. Ama wa gbina no nwa no gbo mana a lo we hia. Orun pa ni me gbina na and vawe tebi tetego hinu. Ohoni me kube support oma. I win e mwenya homena. Awa I vawe tebi tetego hiwanu. E mwenya homena. Iye ti gwan ye won ni ore ni me wa mwenya ho iwa agbeni pinne mi ate igbina ro I will not do it. Bakaro sabakare ni ka I will not do it. Iwa tamo wa be no jena. Ima oni ki ohie wo Ima oniki oge mana gbonoruge. Ima oniki oge ni kauya. Ima oniki oge bia honoreba. I know what. Niye kau iye ne ya boti today. Ima ni de. Es ema so ni me ye mi eso ye mo hui moti today. Ime ye no sa ya bo ne ni kau ya bo. Ni ya bo me ba so ni ya bo me ba. Egi de gbe sun. Ema ya no be mo we go we. Ni ala wo ni kau ya yo bo kan ya eko. Ni ya le hu. I know go do I know wetin I dey talk about. Big people where they follow me that time. All of the bagger leave me. Where they see those arts. Iya bagger se me aye. Imagine me tamwa. Eh then you don't will a video ya apologize in do. 2 people coming for Switzerland. Mama Queen will don't forgive you. People, those big women, come they write me for messenger. Say, now we are seeing you. Thank God for you. Please stay away from that woman. They don't leave me. Why me no want? That is why no watch you. This is not my lifestyle video. Why on wagele he? Also na make sure one wagelo tata one of UK, one iju wala one of Barcelona. That they follow me that I'm me Lucy all the great women. No say no be make by igbo. Because of that art, agbaga se me. Me are check it me la video I boss me messenger. My queen, you never come out. You never. Ibu de me worry. Ibu de je 24/7 one. Anything if you like, then make sense iruwe. Orumo panate o no do yere goge do te do yasimi. Ogiyan mege yeke. God forbid and heaven forbid. I don't need those kind of life. I just tell all of another. I don't need them. Eye me wenwa. Aya gbofen na gbegbaki. Oga je me ne gbe yatolo we yatolo te ya iboluwa. E wa tanu we me wa kamowa. E me de me tamu gbe tamu. Where have bomb no lily me begani. They don't leave me. Baby ni yaga sunu. Yana wa kole. Because I be life na yam me begani. Ogo so me I ga resu wuje. Abije no say no be na. I get one woman we dey tally that na mommy Victoria de color. I found ije. O ni o wa me agbade abo wai. O wa he me no vi o han kere. Ije Ave de na kwaso me ga comment ye na ya click video e busaluba abi ko bana ya wa velele mena ovi o kan kere we ni wasena no message when the break come away no the message now the truth ask keep e wetin ya lesson me we ko ni metana e o se ni na ta we igbina ko or igbina ro I no want do even though I want support person I go use my sense I no need those kind of life again and women me walo. And the how can go away with video? You video no ever. I know what. I know one carry enmity or go tegoi. I know what do. Now my old lady I just like to the day. Because emi no better ye no sayabo no salobwa veni cow here. Ni ayabove. Ni la wo. Veni wa live life me here. Ni adegbe. Ema ya ni pa ni adegbe vian gome. I want to change my way. I want to day my leg. They do the real video way. They know me know that. I don't need them. Ima beri yi budoru okpa one day. Before me keke betu gemena ni mi atala dia wuge ni ami agbade ayini. They will smile in their various houses. And then ima be oni ribudi. I'll tell them say na prayer can't do. Iwa be leru. And then ima oni leru. Iwa be vi kwa. All of them go they share. Eri jare vegeni. I know where Keniana Gaswa Swahili, no Yamendo Yahepe, Keniana Gaswa Swahili. So I don't need those kind of life ago. I am just telling the gospel truth because I know what in I talk. Even the Genatata, all of them they watch me. And that's why they share, if they want to do birthday, ask them the way I take they celebrate their birthday. People love me that time. Better because of him winning. I know what. I know want all those kind of life. If I talk a person today, I know they talk him at past 2 times. I know they talk easy mo na jamu agbewa. Iye me walk by the baby lavi. I know what. I know what. Ya wagwa ya mama better bava. All any me wa money on a daily basis on I know they do all this. Any meeting or wag or be worrying or baggy. So now make me know they do. So nivia do lose on moment or kako. Wala wo e magmono segbe no. Emi Kevin we wo mai. E ka we kan so we gbe wa so we gbe mentally. We when ya we atiki we me gbo ma ve we bagmode. Or they do so we gbe. If I did go wear you suit, agbada and the coat. E what no? On your see, wa be fi here. Again one nebuna gbigbe agia. We wear fi here again we atiki go to where we see. Again nania, emi no bu well, but I mean go no we because we can feel my any. That is the truth. Emi bono we wane boa. Because if you no why so cow we go we no. Even when you are not doing it, again we make we la word. We are la word on it. Emi ya do abegi. Many things go come the rough. And you don't forget all those things that you have done in the past. And at the end of the day, enemy do have 30 where we can go on. How do have 30 way? But so, why I think you war one or why Jiva, or he was your woman, or he soon damina, Baba Lao, Japome, my darling, we no cow, I know. If no cow, I know. Now the truth, if no cow, I know. Or you Johnny Bowery, no man I even it. No man I understand. Im no cow my no. O geko ge no gi o mai ta be da gi ewe. E want ta. O geko ge no we gi o mai ta di aya gi ewe. We ni wa take we nothing happen. E boze o ware medal. E bo ni akin are igba igbogbon wa. Igba igbogbon. E mo to wo we na ni. Igba igbogbon. Abako no ma o nebe go we. A leru me second chance. A second chance in uno sayabo baba ma oni de gbelele na oni o salo bayari second chance no ma ogo we we kawo kawo asi oku eve yo yan we gbe upo give age ano abako yahi abako yahi abako ni no we oni we think we see my darling e me dire wata o we see o bi ni ota eye me wo e hole we wo we ni e go ta do ari owoja udo agbe mai udo agba danu on yo see e me so no gbo ma wa be go we e me so ne sage fun obo e me so ne no we mi no ma keke ba e me so no ya lo ye camera e mi no so no da ya ni kina what's on that fear you understand? Uma degenya. Why is a given wabo? Why we do marry na? Or who wagiri ojai? This is not rough in that marriage. Emi yagi worst because why? Over how when marry can when I wawe unyiwa to sinia, no ya love your camera way ya, we are when you go. A marry mentally better than our market. A market. So see the life where many they live now. Emilia all roughy because Emi came in no cow where we and even though you stay in Nigeria before you come to abroad. Not until you are Niger born. Now lie. Waiting they break yoke. Now apology. Don't keep your pride. Now apology now they break every yoke. Wa me a wake bese. Uma me ni dagbona jinania. Ura wemi, omano wemi, ona yame pride. Saloba yobo, every killed winning. So, apology now they bring pride. Now they break yoke. If you can't keep your pride, come mad the whole world, tell the whole people say, Inyegi wa wona ma mida, la wo, Japome, wakume imi, no la wo. Oh, you give no gele do ya himia. Ya bore, forgive me, please. Hey, where me no apology. Who you go away vagaroto? Who gele wa to say pride where? You go see say that yoke go break. ame mi no weta lo evani sa gi onko egba gogo because eveni orion e mai yo soto o mai e kan mai yawe o bana mai. That is where the problem lies. Wario boye mi egba from one country to another, moving from here egba evo na mama me gbe go me ari evo we evo ni kwa ma we gbe myself ivo da medu no o se ona ha wo mama we gbe ivo da medu live with them anywhere no religion not until we ya gwa lo ma ni nejabo sagi on ko egba gogo matali egba gogo. This message when I dey give not take as a joke, no, not take as a joke. Where nenya eto bo kun we do face the person now because Obama wa Nigeria okay ade webo ovo ko no we do rie na innocent no we do face the person no emi ya do rough even mare when emi ya other gbe do rough gbiragbe because there are hidden secrets in we may yetala. Many people do, many women. Some men don't put them for pains for this Europe. Why some women don't still put some men for pains for this Europe? Because a mirror ni a uwe gowe ni manya maije confess ma da fi yan owokin and owokin ni o wa face pains ni be ni me wa gbon na ni because no ya city owokan total we wokan mege ba ge mi no sunu we gowe all those things oti e total. Then uta all go kan we ni buku gba lelewe o buku gba but why so no why ku ye ju we gbe but o kun we no do asofa o do are pensi o robalo because o huye mi no we gbegbe yunu o viere yi think na go ya o yin ma zoom na na gbapon iwe yen ya meet up iwe yen ya progress iwe yen ya wonona o me ke na so roma se oga igari agere uwe ke owe ema tabata mo gwa ni pia o meke na so orun ma se oga igari agere o kama e wo ke owe no you understand me now because ihe na owo kan eseti mo nya ho ema ta no mo meta ihe na owo kan because the spirit of man no gbe wa olowo we but emini ya do afete ma ogun mewe because huye mi ya yunu o no huye mi yunu ne bo o kan ya go egwale solution e video eseti go egwale solution oni osie no gbeso ya wo wa so igi ekwa wa ni bonsi ologo ma gene pia ni hu jare wa ni gbe so o si ologo ma gene hu no to tagi ami opia o pe agbon egun ekwe iye mai huwe ka wa bako ne wodo wa iye mai huwe ka gbele ma wa ni iye mai we sa genvon wo bo oviere ma he you told me I accept I like when I accept but face hardship in oviere do face o my face no ri agbon here amuto because onu wa ho wa no wa ya temata ma wo hun wa hewe ga bako no we go we ma derere o ye gbagbe even almost to say benegi not until you open your mouth and start confessing to your wife don't make solution or you no go a solution when no wajina esa gen ko gba gogo je to ye you are roaming around the whole place me na gba iri agan aje mebo o akin no emi ya akin do na no we buna both man and woman. If you know you have wronged anyone, go and apologize. Go and apologize. Keep your pride. Ohono mani talo. Ohono mani wemiati. Go and apologize to the person. Wa meje mena ije boy. Rodemi ovio moze. Ena te guye boy gwa. Wara neye boy. Ohamu wa unugba ni apologize ni je boy. Beni mejebe we live video. Ina je video indo neje boy. Uwu no gba apologize. No gba so wo sa wo me gazo go gyo ni be fune. Ove gbera ne. That is the first time ya few begi no dieme. Owe ye were ne oge ne mata. Sa wo me gazo go ye wene o se video. Ye wene. Now the truth. When I want to do my mom like video that you see the way they rush. Come here. Sa wo me gazo go ge we. Ask mama boy, I caught that video instantly. Ima me go can change the topic instantly na wa fin the video. We mana fin video ni. Spirit ni aye move many ya go mama me la kegon. Instantly it ya fin the video. Ima ka we view wa bon the video ni that day because igbe ni you hu the video. If you gele what e ma ke very but I said no. Then je boy why ya kama me queen stop. It why ya fin the video. And now I call lawa. How many of you for this social media no setting with baby video? Ologo. That is why a be abalo manemi no mama support no daughter or daughter. Or see na control no mana. Or ma try no daughter to stop you with baby. Is your savior and is your God. Second God. E wata no me wata. Berio, emi no ma expect. Ya do avolo la dia wonu. O do avolo la dia wonu. O do avolo la dia wonu. That is why you must learn how to respect one another out there. No, saloba nega memi dan. We ga do talole, u do agbe ma later we ga ve gota. So na make e do we wo ma gbe ba legi. So anything what you did do, when you know say do offend anybody, go apologize to the person. Keep your pride and don't feel too big about yourself. Go and apologize to the person. So you go see and say that thing where you did pursue for a very long time. Or was so under 1 second. Or was so under 1 second. Eminin we have or marry ukwe bokpa ubegui. I may go bokpa no maiju, but even marry. But that thing is delaying you. What's your no manare? Who hear me no hear, be no hear no. Emi ya dware alo. Nothing they work at. Nothing we you never do. Even wo salary on when be na bag and reagenji. Not be all you the feed the break. Now who do the something I go feel break for you. Now who do the something I go feel still reverse. Now the truth I just tell all of you. If una know, if una mama they still they alive, mona go ask what in the torso. No be all yoke. Yeah, maybe person go plan for your way and we say that is a lie. That is a lie. Now person will lead that course. Now you get the power to reverse that course. Now the truth. So I make me they tell you, no go do what you go regret later, my darling. If you offend anybody, keep your pride so that things go work well for you for this Europe. Go call the person, look for a number, him or a number, apologize. Apologize. Me, I don't know how to raise my shoulder. And the whoever moment be a neyabo, a who moment by some moment by one moment by very. If you like, you be small picking. I go lay down beg you. A who maybe no yam mama or see Musalopa now I keep him going away webuna. And the truth. If I offend you, una waka mame offend you, or a mana hegi offend you, who don't see time we queen who offend me bena. A live video, another way video. You get the day where Jebo called me for once or something for this house. Pa Jebo can call me. He say, I can't hear your yasun. Ina, what yasun? Or not do time where la who need a give no yasun. I represented so no year deck be down. And not the way I did social media. One ne pa Jebo anytime. You know where I bego at this very part I not talking away. Because you and God was so kind. We can have some video in a way. I remember so here now. A view me ya talo na. I remember so. Area with video ni. Ina me dota me we. But sa wu ka wa we maso. Ina gele me ya we video na ni ma understand. Iwa o me maso here now. Wala wo gbe no go me I say ke ni je. Kajabo can tell me this something. I can't come out for my royal queen talk show again. I can't see talking. See what happen. When I say I not tell I say I know the journey. But the God don't tell me it happen. So now so I can't clarify them for one line. Area no medal. Area be yabama. It's all what you yourself. Out your born we wani. Or walking in an ubuna. I will go so. Madame na yajula me. So he called me. I can't come out for live video. Girl, I was on a while. I do ya tie. Oh, he me walada. You better by my ubere. Ima no la Ah, wow. I said, come out, can't do the video back. Igi we for no o sawes o amakuni. Salobo a bless you, mama. I know they fit they do all those una nonsense. E person just tell me say, if na o see ya kan we video na we say. Iwe view me ya ta na we ma so kan na. So in case of money atiebo. O be ka we o wa we ma so kan. Eri no. Eri o no. Anything ma over yi. Even when my video pan a rosy page u e me watie because I want like no. Ina watie na rosy page. Okiana no bude na no re na erioji. Erioji ato. Ina do bobo koto ije owe mama gegwe ine erioji. Me wa gwa ada no. So anything where you dey do and well, my darling. I want make everything better for each and everyone for this one of us for this Europe. So that if you they do something, do and well. Do and well. When one person call me say, you know, say what if Frank do me not good, mama beg forgive me, and I beg rest for down. Una no talk for this social media say whether me I don't trust to go give Frank once. He say no. Now I say, oh, they call person a shower for this social media. Not be frank, they call some women guys oh we get shower. Not be frank, they say we be a gano. Not be frank, they say I may me wrong pan my whoever city over. Not be frank, they talk all sorts of things for common format. Or what video ni ya go me go ani ye me way. The person can't tell me. Now I say okay, beni me do jula me ni ya. I tell me say do. Because ye we even know ya no taloto ba me buy me. That time, me go let una know for this social media. Because of her silliness. I still thank God say that person not be my own. And I never even quick me go see her. I wish I come. If I just eat my quick social free. Because of Frank's silliness. Now some me with the guy take go away. That friendship break under 1 second. Under 1 second because of silliness of Frank. No be 1, no be 2, no be 3. Because of every rubbish we Frank on they do concerning us women gazo wigi. I wish that it was I don't know as I want to talk. Now everything I come they talk for social media. Not be everything. Because of that art we Frank on they do. Ik be abiano, asha wono, na be ave mona yo wa, oko we wona veni me mana okpa inva me ya de Frank yo. Ima okpa, ima iva. And oge ni ya toba me toba ime. Now the truth. Ime ge kamu wana. My friendship break because of that silliness. That time. Before God come bring my own for me. I say 3 friendship with me want break. I wish say me can see made of it don't quick me go see them. I make if I know my know they could go meet down. I know they could go meet down. Because of those arts, then I can't put on for God and say, God bring the one we really love me. We not go listen to side talk before God show mercy. Now everything me go come to tell una. If una go royal coin business empire, get one video when I do concerning Frank. Now I say you are beating more than you can chew. Ugbe before I will do best to beg me forgive mama awa vitali. On a beg him any forgive. Ok ben okay. Beni mane kafi ubegie. O my kame kind one day. Imege kamu wabe denena. 3 friendship break. Because of is that useless thing we can't talk for all life. Beni me mana okbama eva. Demi ya no ratalo. Bene mata. Emi ya no ratalo. Ime tamu wana menoji. Oh, no, a blogger say, wage me wa, a matter no me wa hamuan. Oh, boy, of one beside me, or when okay way. Not because I can't use that sound lay cost because of people matter. No, not be people matter. Now, what if Frank do me now? I lay that cost because I not tell on the dream. I wish I tell on the dream. I will still lay the cost, but I not tell on the dream. No, even here we me do julamage. Cause of bugwe. Obungwe. Not be people matter. What's your back koto si koto but here what's your back koto si koto. Oh ni me toju la beniji. It not be me they talk cancel. Una know before. Even people where they close to me, they don't know. Oka onari. Deti me gwa lele. Ijo. Deti na we ye okbe awa go wa gbepo. I know they do all those things. I dey take my time till they follow me. Friendship on oka oyaria. Bugiva. Ime wa kamo wa benojina. But because of her silliness on online. Any Beni ebe do ya beg me when he made be come back. Ah wa Jesu me wa mi da ologbo ahun mo mu. Salo bari ogo me mene. That is the reason. Oh he work beti we. Oh no salo bari me na. Oh he work beti we. I don't care over here wa be living. Oh no we wa talo ya sakwe. Inwena no wa mo rinwena over here. Oh nwena. I'm just telling you people the truth. Inwena wa nwena. Aga no mame ya mwini nwena odo ya mege no odo ya down in social media. Better he won't lie. Ime kawa hama wa en go setting wala we gbina. No need to say yes or whatever. So those are over ya we me. So na so life be. You know say I do presenter. I tell her everything. If you not get body, if you not get this thing, not put body. Presenter matter. If they get a bill, woman mad. You know go fit come date woman where they online. If you not get mad, any woman where they online, you know fit date. If not so, hey Jimmy, yeah, back below well, a lot of no better pass my neighbor generator. Yeah, was see well again. We know I better pass my neighbor generator. Now the truth. Yes, let me yama. Why go set in what life will be? Away can't give you live video, so no need. And so you understand me. So na so be. Any me a tell you so my wife over how would you? So now waiting this one break be that. If we get one way they really help me, they help me. Because of Frank's silliness. Over here, ya back off. Every time I want to move with the nena. Oh, wow, because it don't hear about anywhere, because of movie a boto. You put a journey in it. I don't know in a julamine. Because, Emi said, Emi or said, oh, we top one with beside me. First time, I had even having my no leg gammon. He am my him in Italy. They no even know. But now first time when I take the talk about this. So me I dey let una dey know. Ashi wele. Ashi nenemi igbe agyo gogo. Awon me on no my love yaka be city oge. No my love yaka sa lo boa. Va do man o hide nene city where the head la dan dey yan ya. O ma give you. So na the reality I just tell una so. Emi to said o. Eru demo what or movie boto or do say do you love neba no. Because way ukboy ovon we sad us away me gazo wege. Ni wa de gbedo ya tani we en wa mi estate enemy because in we me jure do ni here ba no kaya amoni o ameria. And then the truth is nothing but the truth. Say one-on-one issue with I no get am. I not get I not get one-on-one issue with them. So God knows in the truth. One-on-one issue. I not get on with them. And I never even concern me since I did live video. But in don't do video with pass how many of it can't concern yourself with me as we ask how many I don't do comfort. Mona ask may bring all the video when coin doctor and con answer. If not be the one when I do for Royal Business Empire. Mona con make it bring and that dear make it bring. But me I go fit bring billions of video with Frank. Don't do concerning yourself with me guys without me we can never get issue one day. So now so it be my darling people. I am telling you guys the truth. So if not be that day, do best consider say mama forgive her, mama I will consider say forgive her. Before COVID do that be do nyima to sina. If una watch video when I take give them advice, more na watch am. It did this Royal Consortium. Whether I cause any of them, in a do amo gungbiyan na do anything, more na watch the video. So it's in Oduga, nobody they feed the tortura. It's okay. We leave their case in the hands of God and Almighty, the ancestors of the land. A case frank, Orakaru Savaharenika. Cause Makburu no siube. No gualo meme. Emo gualo eme. Even when the girl they talk mama beg na in a fancy or here. A fancy or we can argue. Where our mudia where our do I move or tin where over or do I useless or tin where be never won in a Roman or useless be. Or we no say what they do no good. I beg. He watched the video for Lady Constant this thing. Lady Constant page in watch and for them. Now then for see the video. I don't come through verse because what he don't do me don't to pay me. Not because I am but of tornado na julame a haro savakare ni kairo dia. He what on in my cake. Cause we ain't of one beside me. Near that do yasu near a wo Gambia one of Paris. Ye meho. Veni mena we mini metaloge matano. Oyame do V estate ma de estate oye no bamboo na merikpe e bamboo wa no we bamboo ni ana ke pami ri estate je. So I say na do time I we o gbere banjo ogene I mejo ya ni kezire yo betero deni na do jula e relationship ha oria je rubbish oge. So they tell you now what they do, ain't say they do away. So now so it be my darling people. If you don't know some moment, na laho. Or segbe, magmonaki. Or segbe, magmonaki. So na laho. Now we gave me over ye. Emi came in on Mariao. No way see. They may hero way. A few big man, no few big way. Edu so rigbo uvio giver egbo kan ni agbenya ka etemi na we mase yo magbe cause we agave dia we dawe ugave do ma midi woman mahi ave dia do we emi weri agbo mi na do weri ni odo emi no love most. Wa kiki magmo we vegeni etu we kaya rama so we gi rama ni a ma we say pensi yo egbe iri magbo na yi o si eni na tattoo video na o segbe magbo na ki and o segbe ni gele wanu we be na e ka wo maso egbe oyo ma na wa be amweki o ma be eri aki o ma no to ta wa amu eri a wa amweki bi ere yari a be keni a to ta yi ma dale we abe mu atewa ave di amo woria ave di amo woria o mana be ame e otenia oni o se yan wata e hotel wa vun e hotel wa vun do state e hotel wa vun do state here me ni a buy medali if you want build hotel build medali build e we bona the street is so we all street is okay but so e hotel no setting 15 or street is so dan do gbo ge ma here every makpana wa muemi go eke ni mejina e hotel no re area ni mejiwi mana ogbere 30 is area ni mewajewi mana na e hotel no ro ogbere 30 just a street ni mejiwi we ogbere 30 iviere ya ye e ma ye vun e hotel here o wa se bi vie we ma e trade ga degode I criticize me now. I have over the Nahue. Now, make me sometimes I'll just look many of now, I'll just shake my head. Build your hotel, my daddy. Or my own kaba. If you want to do anything for Benin Kingdom. If na supermarket, you want to open your supermarket. If na shopping mall, you want to open your shopping mall. I am just telling you, if na discotheque you want to open for Benin Kingdom, open your discotheque. And restaurants, bar you want to open your bar, my darling. Let it be classic and people will come there and patronize you. Leave winere. As your man cut over wakokako. Leave it alone. Emi buna word don't need you, but no fresh oh my go. Na poultry you want build chicken, pork, all those things. Build it, my darling. It will fetch you money. When you now finally started it, things will work out. Do it, my darling. It will fetch you money later. Emi kemi no ma wagbona owo we to Taiwan we because we me mi go ya wo we eru no aga na baba we no jigo gi na we jogo me gu ni me ya we no so no na. That is your prayer. Stop envying people and stop bringing people down. It's bad. It's bad, my darling, because I have that way. And then I will my do I be in any hotel. Then I will my do a bishop mo. And then I will my do I have me at it. Or you might so no be your foundation, no care me at foundation. I will try and I will bring give you that it is wrong. Because we make your way and my word do those alobashi go when we are your way. It is wrong, my darling. Uma no support Oma, don't do it. I have no woman, no, ya support area. Leave them alone. Do your own. Do your own, my darling. Because then I will have a key me up. A woman no matter will give her. I will just that way. That is the truth. Mind your business, my darling. It is how I ask for you to face your life. Face your life. Focus on yourself. Pray for God intervention so that God will bless you, so that you will open one bar in Benin. A bar where you go be on bedo. A bar. So far no build it. Your kono ma big ball of so far build it classic. You know what we say. People will come there and eat. So if I know I live everywhere, so far near go live. That is what matter. Kekawanyo. You will make it. If you don't know be hotel, you will make it. I am just telling you, man, okay, I'm going to do it. If me and my will go no kill him, only my money I get him with the agbe. Or no be a booker. You go make money on a daily basis. I am just telling you the truth. I get heavy over your way. No kill anyway, my amigo yaki away. Tamo saloba no rigo gwenu yaki away. Tamo saloba no rigo gwenu yaki away. God will do it for you. Ave foundation anya here we fraud the woman darling ukuse no gbe no you give her dia gbe no my darling we have a key anything wa have what we fraud on no popo na ja gbeja le no o se gbeja wo my darling o se no e do na ha we do level you said den wa pa worry. I can never throw stone to anybody. No, we do a key never ye. I know the one. On a kind business in it. A triple no may me no ma come everywhere. Or do a worky area, or do a kind no ma narrow be, it do a value only more area because I want to say. Matalo Saloba, worry no balloons or you have all waffy may be our way. And they try to tell you, I know the one because I know say yes. Emi ni ueno, a kidney dono. So, oh man, I'm working area. I will not be happy. So, if me I can't do more my area, it your money have a fee. That is why not they don't. A man yani go me demi near. The man come here why you want to go follow me queen by something. When you you know, post and come for you. Huh? And never do that. Yeah, then yeah, post a lad. Yeah, oh no, woman when you get with it. Why did you call your mama say? Or won't buy the room or tag on our way, remain kume de me ma postege, or garo, no money ladia. When no money ladia, but the whole world one. All women up, Yena kume de me ma postege, no ladia. Because of Abamori, ya here bene. Because he ain't go money. It's so very wrong, the marigoni message. It's so wrong, you may go to today. If you go me postege, you can. Not the truth. So I am just telling you guys the truth. But an out of jealousy, hatred, even though why you wow, well, I don't know. I don't know, my darling brother, if you knew me, worry. We are not way. My darling sister, change your ways. Or have a more way. It is wrong. Whatever a man soweth is what him or her reap. When you sow a good seed, you will reap a good seed. When you sow an evil seed, my darling, I don't know how it look like. Don't you know it's going to come back to you? That is why Mommy Queen does not throw stone to glass house. I don't. I don't throw stone to glass house. So he said, when he was working, when he was calling life, I am okay. Na yagbovo was your bow. On your see in a title, a title in the title. So why the talker? Your girlfriend get better husband, you know get. Don't you think it's that time you change your character and behavior? Your friend get better husband. Don't you think it's where or your destiny? Why can't you change your whole character so that you will get a good man too? Why having your friend start to spoil your friend name head so that the man will come hate that your girlfriend? Stop it, my darling. Live a good life. Stop it. You will never get better husband. What will not make you get better husband? Sometimes your character may cause it. Sometimes your heaviness may cause it. Sometimes bad life where you dey live with people may cause it. Emi bonosie. You go to the call your friend place, you say make you come out for your hand. It dey cause bad luck for future. It dey cause bad luck. Your all people where they around you, they don't marry finish. What make you never marry? You know, see that make you ask yourself, I've been at the way I take the behave, I've been aware I the heavy my friend, I've been aware I the try and spoil my friend head. Madam, sit down very well. It is high time. You start to correct your mistake. Waiting there your finger way walk, remove her for your finger. So that everything will come your way. Waiting the block money of una way plenty. Plenty, my darling. Plenty. Remove her. Change your behavior. I can person you go just one marry now. You go come the look for native daughter where go come cause and make no marry. And you they pray for husband. Hey, my darling, I don't know who wants to settle that one for his side. You they pray for husband. Now truth I tell you. I don't know who go settle that. But you they pray for your own husband to come. But you want to stand as a stumbling block to another person. Make for no marry. Make things for no work out. Or make the man not come love her. Or make the man not come give time again. Or buy things. You not take on a life easy. Many things that they draw on her back. But you know they know. You not take on a life easy. If you not happy with your friend with all your heart, how good things go take come your way. You know they come, my darling. Eko bovo na eko ni bisi eko na tosi ama so man ogberovo. You must change your ways. Many of you for them, so that your way go open the way you take want them. The good husband go come, the good wife go come. Things that you have never expected before go come. Your documents go come. Your the good work or your job where you dey pray for go come. Even the pregnancy well that you are seeking for will come your way. Man, Ali, some head if they cause and wait things not go work for you well. If they do in a negative way. Oh, they were the way where I learn. Then I back and the average. That's many things they cost on a nemesis. Most of them for them. Now many things now they cost many of them nemesis. Now the person they do now they do now self. Sometimes now see what on the top for on a house. You go to watch this video. I like this you. The answer is no. Baba wo iwasi ogo mena. Iwa me ya wa marine. Bo isu no da ya mena. Mi ju salubua. Mo para mona. Bona all on the top for na house. Ima bawa. Ima bawa. Now they just walk by what talo walk by what talo wa. Even God now finally still give you better husband. Your foolishness, not go let the man stay. You because you, God don't give you your better husband now. Your chon, you know go let the man stay again. Your chon, you go see chase the man away. Chon. You know what it be chon. Talkative. What thing your husband they do for you, you know go keep on to yourself. Must you share on to your next door neighbor, or must you share on to your friend who sit down here you for them? You think say go they happy with you, or you go come they say, hey, nah beg you, I am just telling you the truth. Save your marriage. Keep your mouth shut. But no open your this your mouth wide. How come? Now everything you go they talk. As your man sleep with you go share and give your girlfriend. As your man bless buy you gift, you go tell your girlfriend. If you never tell her, unuwena is silly. Now everything you go they talk na question ask you. You go they think say that your girlfriend may well for you and they happy with you. Congratulations. Uwe hoy e baby no also a baby iri no. Tita to me message ni give. Iri no. Must you tell your girlfriend we give not from one? Echo when he is me. Whenever I go away as him, there's him, I'm will block you way. No mean I do as him. Emi no ma ugbe or bone. Emi no ma ugbe baye or bone. When no man I mean I echo where yas him he, or I buy a secret where you're funny. Madali, oh boke wa we mateke seconds. Echo when give us him madali. Seal it with a needle. When a man talk too much or a woman talk too much, she talk out of pants. Emi no my me ba ye o my here seva. Wa be me no oro we gbe ni ribude nana. Madale fi woria madale. O ma ya ba ye o onu ma. O ma ya ba ye o onu arudi ome. O ma ya ba ye o onu bie munya kegbe. O ma ya ba ye because many are full of evil. Ejo losi no ri be haga be orion era na kemide we aka mama wa ya put him ebe we kem no so no ege work okay no ya na do be enti paper lele wo bo anywhere no how would you be na gba gan ri akanji onu we na message no ya go no we ke talo ma say what you gain since when you dey tell friend is secret what you gain nothing madale na pains and destroyer. Good boy, man, we just see enter your life now. You want to see you chon to chase and come off for your body. The good man, where he newly enter your life, where you will watch me so, and that good woman will enter your life. You want to use your chon, stay chase and away. Happy for you. If you don't chase and away, you go say, even the one where you know expect, now you go deal with that man. You go come shock say now that your bestie now you marry the man put for us. Oh now they take life is you. Na via marry no. Na via maropa no rio no maro. If your marriage never work out, never no share to anybody. Until God already finally give they don't pay your bride price. If you like, if you they don't pay your bride price, share to the whole world. I want to set it die. A bride price has been paid already. You are officially a married woman. But no man walk at it or don't introduce it to anybody. Don't introduce it until that marriage or friendship work out first before you finally introduce. Many then are angels of Jezebel. They don't mean what to anybody. This woman, where this my fine bobo will God give me so. Nobody around me know my mouth. Nobody around me know anything that has to do with Okbanelena. I am just telling you guys the truth. Wow, boyfriend is okay. Why was it? Not until I don't say, economy. Obia munya kegbe iya daga no ya ma be eri oje wa karusa wa kare nika iyi mola dia madale people ije me gunya me na be no wa fofo na obeva e ya go e I don't need nonsense I don't need nonsense then imagine oh man bologbera don't be stupid Ebi me aye hada, come see my boyfriend, come see my boyfriend. No, rubbish any yake. And the truth. Yeah, ebi amunya kebene. Oh, why have we here? I'm not this man. Why can't me wo na she? Why can't me wo? I worry your dome la wa. Yeah, pampai. Me no ge diamond. Iri your dome la wa. Me no watawoge. You no go flinga minyete be ni vitali high. My husband has been in my house already. Ma wo ge gba siri o wa ken, ma ge gba siri e fe ken, ma ge gba siri e gbram ken. E ni ma mi ma ga he. So fa imado ku ya akporu yin no mama wa wo ge. I know why even hear nonsense. I know the mouth. It concern me. Odo me so far we mo. Na that one your matter. I beg. Oh, give you 100. Oh, carry you 100. Oh, it's none of my business. As far as the man is making you happy, and you are happy with the man, my daddy, stick to that man. Eri say, I be chon. The side game of back go. No we viama oho no we ho we wa were we ho we fo ane abata pass my neighbor ni emu kan neighbor better pass me ni emu kan odoju ojo ehwi ate ya go e nya iye no be ko advice we wrong advice ni o be do age we later e ho emu e mo do ojo boy ho do e fo na you no agbon e seje no agbon to pa. I am just telling you guys the truth. So in your way now for you be back way. Now more does can you guy. Anything that is giving you joy, cover it. Even use white cloth to cover it. Anything that is giving you rest of mind, peace, harmony. I beg, I am begging in God's name. Use your two hands to cover. Use your two hands to cover. Niviak more does can your way. A life in a way marriage in way destroyed without us no girl man you bawa. One girl me no area rude de se awawe agaji we baloto. Salo po amela ho. Boy na be mi ono na boy na be mi ono na no my darling. Oh back me aware o wa be ba. I never call any of my friends come see my mom. I know once. Again, guys, saying I don't go me go what do they ba me go. It was now that I'll take here. So I know what all those sisters time. Now make me the table. Say you no need to talk too much. Pray for it to work for you the way you take prayer, and God on infinity mercy will make it work. Eri ono via do no so mo me. Ni ma ya la o ni ma ye nwa we mi. Ni ma ye nwa we mi. Owo ka o mama, owo pogi va mama, opogi a mama. Why you say ya unai? Why you say ya must you bring friends to your house or to your marital home? Must you bring them? Me maybe no wa be no ya live life wa be see o. Must you bring friend to your house? Asilego. Oh, you think say na they open 32 teeth wow, they really love you. Now your mind they target. I am just telling you how it look like. Now your man, now your friend they target. Most especially the one way they work, we see they support you small. Or say when or other from what or back in what no don't. Imagine it time. Don't trust anybody. Trust yourself. Even yourself, you know, stay trust and finish. I'm just telling you guys the truth. So that's what the life look like. Ni ma ye nwa we mi. O se ni na tattoo mi ati na. O se gbe no. We no go no owo vi wa were ya. E deme de no we hin ayare ya. We no go we no owo vi wa we de. E deme de no we hin ayade. You know understand me? E deme de no we hin ayade. So you were the pretty off work with my darling. I see you. How are you doing? I am living a peaceful life now. A man who really now because of I know they do live video like that ago. Now because of my man, I know they call social media like that ago. You know they say as this is 2 years plus I don't call this Royal Talk Show. I don't come here can't do live broadcast now. Now because of my man, and if you even see the evidence in me, you see the evidence now. So now so it be. Now I don't need the stress. I have stress sorry, I don't need that. I don't need that. So now so it be my darling. The only man where they give me advice with that. Where they tell me something, I go listen. It go put sense for this my brain. Yes. I love her. I the truth. So I know come because social media. You know if you tell me make I not do social media. You know if you tell me if you allow me come online, I dey talk way. Believe me, I tell her I go dey do my things my way. I go dey do my things my way. Now understand. So now so be. I just want focus on my life. They do my things the way God direct me. If I just don't finish, I want to ask. Anyway. Ma hiala wo ye donu zo wo me ni ma ye nwa wo mi emi ya wa gbona a wa tamosi esoro ne mi we e mota no de na we be ni meji me record o ma ga record ni iga hi egbe ni to wa me we go wa ke yo wa no ye onti ola de o wo de apologize a ga ri egbe ma e ba saso I not the record anybody. Any record where you see they my hand now people pack and come and they ma be pay. I never play once. Iyan konere. Iro wa me wa vio egume. Say na me just use my phone take the record person. I know the record anybody. But if you record me anytime when me take the talk. Bakaro sa bakare ni kao. You go live to regret your life in this abroad. No. Na jeme tamuwa. Na me be coin. E mede me water. He record who. But if you record me, osawe ni gazo wigi. Ha. You will live to tell the story. How will tamuwa? E mother guy, oru okpa be la den with the body. How we be ni time ekuni na do tala den with social media all those. I know the record anybody. I know the recorder. Anything where you me with you just discuss. Nah, we just discuss our brothers and sisters. Say record you. No. I not go down. O si o ma yeke. O wa si o ma yeke. Iye ge managun. Let go judge. O do mighty si o ne gbege salopo abohi. I the truth I tell you. E record o moroba. Oh man no how we mo record we me wona. We no violate. The whole social media or outside social media. On our way, my na make conversation, na recording, we don't do more de dagbo. I can only play voice to you. Maybe I do tell me where I make body go make bene no reference na do tell me make begume. All today, make body ni lade. All today. But it here, we mo mi queen we say je me ni jogi. I di yan ni ken yan mo lade an ke dero ade na we go mo lade. Asasi body go respond. I me we be very. Ina de no ari go viere ne ona do tale mi no so no ona ka ma me we ti da se kenye je na me yero pa me de yo we ni na o de yo ene ka me di wuma ri egene we ma wo si we be no elios ene ko ido ya wo ke ye hone ri egene emi o seto da no ke no jogare ho we gwe egbe balu wa gbe emi kere wo social media I can't tell the girl can so ke and where I did but you go my baby because he got the I do blast to what to boy. Oh, okay, mama. And I time in it, or gotta go where go. The time in it, baby, by love, and on my day, always do everywhere. Another time I'm where or carry happy already. Or carry happy or car when it's in okay, or my happy where that baby do, where that baby do more. What that baby do more, what to more deck but you, me no banner. So, you know, so anything on my wagon, I always say, who might not happy with backward. Okay, we know what the time of any work, but you go, I was one my worry, I know they do all those things. Yet, well, what go make one every time I wear no she. Yeah, it's a war, our life moves on. We move on with our life. I'll be a tonteria, no marking, and I know. I want that time over. We move on with our life. Ma o ni do ni ije no mama na do vio ye God forbid and heaven forbid. I can't. Ido mo yo rivi me gbe. Ye imi ove o. Imi ove. Agwa. O se na wa ko dole wo yi se de ni akpa bori. Anything no ma over ye. Aha we se. We no mana we se. Odo clean dog be my eva de ariota. I know I am not ready for all those adwasio makoto si you go Ghana wo no go ma do ava yo. I am not ready. Cause ma oni ju hu ya me mo agbe kwa. Ihe no go mama mo. Ihe no go me amu wa gmonire. Imu here. So eri okwa se bie do no zo mo ni mala ni ma ye nwa we na je na. Ne me ya me na ma. Me atore na o. Cause ya we ya rule kere. Ya rule